I am sitting in a 2010 Toyota Camry. We are going to be adding a Valet key in, a non-remote, right here. It's got an OEM Valet chip in there, and I've modified the chip for a Valet from Master. So, existing Master on. Go to Toyota, Camry, key coding, 2010, 4D, that's the dot key, on. Program key, yes. Off. On. Removed. Insert. Okay. Programming key. And for note, our security light is up there. Okay, security light is still going, and it just went out. Procedure complete. You can see that the light is no longer flashing. Now, from this point, we're done. Take your key out. Now, as the Valet key will do, as soon as you insert it, the light should go solid, and then out. That's how you can tell it's a Valet chip. Your Master key, I'm going to enter it now. The light will just go out. That's your Master. Out right away. Valet. Solid. Out. And it starts. All done.